Before we start this video, make sure you like this video. Your support motivates me to create more videos for you. So smash that like button fast and
$1,000 profit. The Martingale strategy. So, hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you all know, we use an auto-trading bot to grow our capital, which is an AI-based software that provides you with multiple strategies and multiple money management options. By using this, our members are making some profit daily. So, if you also want to use it, you can message me on Telegram. So, let's start the video. And before this, you can see the rank and profit on the leaderboard, which is now going to increase after using the bot. So, without wasting time, let's jump into the video. So guys, first of all, let's look at the login process, which is going to be very easy. You just need to double-click, and the bot file will open here. When you open it, a Chrome tab will also open with it. On the screen, you can see the Chrome tab on the left and the bot file on the right. So, right now, you don't have to do anything in the Chrome tab. You have to use the bot from start to finish. So, first of all, you need to type your email ID. So, I am typing my email here. And as soon as the email is typed, we need to press enter. And if you look at the left side, the email has been entered automatically. We will enter the password similarly and continue the login process. Type the password and press enter. Then wait for 4 to 5 seconds maximum. Your account will be logged in here. So this is a very safe method of algo trading because you are using the official website to log in. And after the account is logged in, you can type DNL to select a demo or live account. In today's video, our live account balance is $2,974, approximately $3,000. And to increase it, we have selected strategy number 2 with Martingale Money Management. To use Martingale Money Management, we have to give 4 inputs to the bot. First, the overall capital we want to use, which is $3,000. And then, the overall trades we want to place through the bot, which is 10. And then, the number of winning trades we are expecting, which is 5. This results in an accuracy of 50%. We want 5 out of 10 trades to be won through the bot. Now comes the 4th option, which is the asset. What should be their return? When the bot places a trade, it is 80%. So, the bot will only place trades in an asset that has a return of more than 80%. So now, the bot is ready. Now we have to see how much accuracy we get through this bot today. In Martingale, the first 2 trades matter a lot. If the first 2 trades are won, then there is an almost 100% chance that you will easily grow 30% of your capital. After the first 2 wins, there are 8 trades remaining. We only need to find 3 winning trades, which becomes very easy for the bot. So, if you are still stuck on compounding, you should give it a try. It could be very profitable for you. As you can see, the bot has placed the first trade for a put direction. In the video, you must have seen that I opened the asset. I didn't know the direction, nor did I look at the amount or history. The asset in which the trade was placed was opened in front of you. So, selecting this asset, selecting this amount, the direction, and the time, everything was done automatically by the bot. Because a lot of traders ask me, is this a signal bot? So guys, this is an auto-trading bot. As you might have guessed from the video title and thumbnail, it will do everything automatically using advanced analysis. So, if you also want to use it, you can message me on Telegram. You will find the Telegram link in the video description. Along with this, the results I share on my channel include some traders for whom I have implemented their own strategies into the bot. So, if you also have such a strategy that you want to implement in the bot, then you can message me. As you can see, the strategy the bot is currently working on requires 50% accuracy, and we will make a $1,000 profit. So, if you have any such strategy, you can get it implemented in the bot. If you have 80 to 90% accuracy, compounding will be best for your strategy. So, until now, the bot is giving back-to-back winning trades, and our target will be easily hit. We will have to run it for a maximum of 10 minutes because there are many assets in Quotex, so the bot gets a trade in one asset or another. So, for traders whose patience level is low, this bot is a must-use. Our target is almost achieved. If this trade is a win, this will be our last trade, and if it is a loss, this will also be our last trade. Because we get an 80% return on all assets, we make a 30% profit. But here, we received 85% and 90% returns. So, our target has already been hit. So, here we are, stopping the bot.
Hey, I'm FX Shakib Sheikh. Join my Telegram community, link in bio. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.